Okay. Let's do our tongue twisters again while we're at it. 1, 2, 3, go.
I thought of thinking of thanking you.
Oyinkosade alone. The first line. There's no ye in my tongue twister. Oh yeah. Come closer if you can't see it. 1, 2, 3, go.
I thought of thinking and thanking you.
Say it again.
I thought of thinking of thanking you.
Everybody.
I thought of thinking of thanking you.
Okay, Oyinkosade.
Asok.
That's it, sweetheart. That's the word. Hasok. 1, 2, 3, go.
What's the meaning?
Hasok. It's a kind of cushion. Hasok, hasok, black spotted hasok. Black spot. Go on.
On a black.
Black spot. Say that.
Black spot on a black.
On a
black
back.
Black back of a black spotted hasok.
Everyone. Hasok, hasok, black spotted hasok. Black spot on a black back of a black spotted hasok.
And Andy's anniversary is in April.
Good boy. Everyone.
Andy's anniversary is in April.
Now you have to slow down for this one. Really slow down. Go. You're not slowing down. There, those thousand thinkers were thinking, how did the other 3 thieves go through? Everyone?
There, those 1,000 thinkers were thinking, how did the other 3 thieves go through?
Okay. Next one.
The
because it's consonant follows. It's the. 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout
Thursday.
Everyone?
The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
Okay, skip that. Skip the next one. Go to any noise.
Any noise, a noise, an oyster. But
a noisy.
But a noisy noise.
No noisy. Noisy. Change the S to Z. Yes.
But a noisy
noise, a noise, and oyster more. Everyone?
Any noise, a noise, an oyster.
But a noisy noise, a noise, and oyster. Okay, so for oi. Noise, oi. Yeah? Come here. Hey, where are you going? Stay here. Stay here.
Oyster.
Next one.
An ape. An ape. Hates. Hates.
Good
grape
boy.
Cakes.
Everyone?
An ape hates grape cakes.
Go on.
Mommy, Harry hit me on the head with a hammer.
With a hammer. Good boy. Everyone?
Mommy, Harry hit me on the head with a hammer.
Go on.
Emphasize your H.
Emphasize your H's.
Okay, emphasize your H's.
Yes.
You ignorant ass.
And emphasize your H's, you ignorant ass.
You. Next.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Mba.
Happy birthday.
Happy birth. Say birth.
Birth.
Happy birthday, Harry.
Happy birthday, Harry. Said Henry.
Good.
How old are you, dear Henry?
Dear Harry.
Dear Harry.
Said
Henry.
It's not Henry.
Henry.
Not Henry. Hen.
Henry.
Hen.
Hen.
Re.
Re.
Hen.
Hen.
Re.
Re.
Henry.
Henry.
Don't jam the N into your name. Don't say Henry. Henry.
Said
Henry.
Henry.
Everyone?
Happy birthday, Harry, said Henry. How old are you, dear Harry, said Henry.
Last one.
Peter Piper picked.
Piper.
Peter Piper picked a
Peck.
A peck
Of pickled pepper.
A peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked.
Good boy, everyone.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked.
Good. Sit down. Always remember that articulation is done more at the back of the mouth with the aid of the articulators, which are the tongue, the lips, the teeth, and the roof of the mouth, the palates. Don't be too heavy on your lips and teeth. Okay? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. You don't need to do that. Okay? So ease out on the lips, the teeth, and the tongue. Yeah? Phrasing can be compared to boxcars, vowels, and connectors, consonants. See how big the vowels are? See how small the consonants are? That's how your phrasing should be. Big vowel, small consonant. Your consonants are just connectors, just to connect the vowels together. Okay? I don't have time. Since all singing is done on the vowel, more time should be spent on pronouncing the vowel than the consonant. Okay? Therefore, less consonant plus more vowel is equal to? Let's say that again. Less consonant okay. Heavy consonants are caused by tension in the articulators. Therefore, care must be taken to eliminate tension in the tongue, lips, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Now, everyone say N. Say N. T. D. L. You have problems when the tip of the tongue is pressed too hard against the roof of the mouth, here, when you're pronouncing any of these consonants. Yeah? Or behind the upper teeth. Solution: reduce contact between velum and tongue to the barest minimum. Imagine the velum is very hot. Now imagine the roof of your mouth is very hot. Imagine the roof of your mouth is very hot, so you don't want your tongue to stay there for too long. Say low. Low. Okay. Say never. Never. Not never. Never. Okay? So just the minutest second is what you need to pronounce these words to reduce tension. Okay? MPB. P. B. You have a problem when you compress your lips too much, causing air pressure to build behind the lips until upcoming breath blasts them open. P. Too much. B. So don't let your lips be so tight. Lightly compress the lips and then quickly release them. Decrease lip pressure till all the popping sounds disappear. Praise. Book. Instead of praise, book. Money. Money. Praise. Book. You want to ask a question? Yes. Yeah. Hard palate, soft palate, yes. This is your hard palate. The one right here. Your soft palate is way behind. The softer one. So that's it. It's really the hard palate, really. Okay? Okay. Q, K, C, ng, and g. The back of the tongue is pressed too hard against the soft palate for too long. G. Go. Too hard. Yeah? Think of the sound produced more forward in the mouth. So instead of saying, get out of here, say, get out. It's lighter. Get out. Yeah? Go. Go. Okay? Interesting. Not interesting. I've heard people saying interesting. Interesting. Yeah? Okay.
Want to feel it.